In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Corsair iCUE. If you're using Corsair keyboards, mice, coolers, or RGB lighting, iCUE is the free control software that lets you manage lighting effects, performance profiles, and device settings from one place. We'll keep this simple and make sure you know exactly what to click and why, so you can get it installed with confidence. First, go to the official Corsair website. In your browser's address bar, type corsair.com iCUE and press enter. Using the official site ensures you're getting the legitimate installer with the latest features and security updates. If you're ever unsure, look for the secure padlock in your browser and confirm the address is corsair.com before proceeding. Once you're on the iCUE page, click the button labeled Download iCUE. The site may highlight the most recent stable release. That's typically the one you want. If you see beta versions, those are for testing and may be less stable. Sticking to the standard download helps avoid unexpected issues. Next, select your operating system. Choose Windows 10 or Windows 11 depending on what your PC runs. If you're not sure, you can quickly check in your Windows settings under System, then About, but most modern systems will be Windows 10 or 11. Selecting the correct version ensures the installer includes the right components for your system. When the file finishes downloading, run the installer. You'll usually find it in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file, and if Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes. This is normal for software installations. If Smart Screen appears, confirm you're running the file from Corsair and continue. It may take a moment for the setup window to appear. Follow the setup instructions on screen. You'll be guided through the license agreement and basic options. If you're unsure about any choices, the default settings are designed to work well for most users. The installer may briefly pause while it installs services or drivers needed for Corsair devices. Let it complete without interrupting the process. Finally, restart your PC if prompted. A reboot helps Windows load all the necessary services so iCUE can properly detect your devices. Save any open work first, confirm the restart, and let your computer come back up. After that, you're all set. The software is installed and ready for your next steps. If your download is slow, try a stable internet connection. If the installer won't launch, make sure you're signed in with an account that has permission to install apps. And if security software flags the file, verify it came from corsair.com before proceeding. Thanks for watching and enjoy customizing your setup.